In this guide, I'm going to clear out whether you can transfer your Spotify playlist to Apple Music or not. Let's get started. You can transfer your Spotify playlist to Apple Music, but there is no direct built-in one-tap transfer between them. Instead, you can use a music transfer service that moves everything for you. First, make sure both your Spotify and Apple Music accounts are active. Then go to your playlist transfer service like SongShift or Tune My Music. These tools are designed exactly for this job. Once you open the tool, connect your Spotify account first, then select the playlist you want to transfer. After that, connect your Apple Music account and choose it as the destination. The service will automatically match songs and recreate your playlist inside the Apple Music. After the transfer is complete, open the Apple Music app and go to Library, Playlist, and you will see your Spotify playlist there ready to play. One thing to keep in mind, sometimes a few songs may not transfer perfectly if they are missing from Apple Music's catalog. But most playlists transfer almost completely, and that's it. This way you can easily transfer your Spotify playlist to Apple Music. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.